A, B, and C can do a piece of work in 6, 12, and 24 days. In what time will they do it together? Now, we can assume the total work to be the LCM of the times. So the times given are 6, 12, and 24. LCM of 6, 12, and 24 comes out to be 24. Now, let's form a routine table. Now, rate is equal to W upon T, time is equal to W upon R, and work is equal to R into T. Now, we have assumed the total work to be 24. Now, all of them are working from start to finish in all the cases. So we can write down 24 in all the rows. Now, the time given for A is 6, for B it is 12, and C it is 24. So we can easily find out the rate of A, B, and C. The rate is W upon time, that is work upon time. So 24 upon 6, rate of A becomes 4 units per day. For B, it becomes 2 units per day, and C, it becomes 1 unit per day. So in total, they can do 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7 units per day. So the time is always W upon R, so that becomes 24 upon 7, which we can write down as 3 by 7. So answer will be option B.